Usually, a disorder like BHP known as enlarged prostate affects men at the age of 50 and older. However, BHP is different from prostate cancer, and there is no reason to panic. The man's prostate is a walnut-sized gland, and it is an important part of the male reproductive system. Located beneath the urinary bladder, and in front of the rectum. The prostate's main function is to make some of the fluid that nourishes and protects sperm cells in the semen. When the men get older, the cells of the gland tend to multiply, which can cause disorder like enlarged prostate. But the real cause is still unknown. So, the factor can be the changes in male sex hormones with age. The top 5 home remedies for this problem are apple cider vinegar. If you consume ACV, when it comes to enlarged prostate, it can help you a lot, because it has astringent properties that help shrink swollen prostate glands. Also, it aids weight loss and helps prevent complications of enlarged prostate like UTIs. In a glass of warm water, you just have to mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw unfiltered ACV, and then you can add 1 tablespoon of honey. It is recommendable to drink this beverage twice daily. Another solution is to add 1 cup of ACV to a bathtub of water, and soak in it for 10 to 15 minutes. Enjoy this soothing bath a few times a week. Corn silk. Instead of medications, people should start using corn silk. The reason is because it acts as natural diuretic, which has the ability to relax the urinary muscles and lining. As results, it improves the urine flow. Firstly, you should pour 4 cups of water in a pot, and then add in it the silk of 6 ears of fresh corn. When it starts to boil, you should allow it to simmer for another 10 minutes. You can drink 3 cups on a daily basis of this corn silk tea. Also, you can add 15 drops corn silk extract to 1 cup of water, and drink it several times a day. Sitz bath. This can be very effective remedy for enlarged prostate. The reason is because it can help you relax the pelvic muscles, and also can reduce swelling and promote healing. The cold bath, on the other hand, will ease the pain. Firstly, you should fill your bathtub with warm water, and add half a cup of Epsom salt to it. Then, you should fill another bathtub with cold water, and add several drops of lavender essential oil to it. Then you can first sit in the bathtub with hot water up to your waist, and sit there for 3 minutes. After that, you should sit in the bathtub with cold water and stay for 1 minute. It is recommendable to do this 2 more times. The last bath should always be in the cool water. You should enjoy a sitz bath a few times each week. Note: it is not recommendable to follow this remedy if you have acute bacterial prostatitis. Stinging nettle. Its root contains essential bioactive phytochemicals that shrink prostate tissue, so it can lessen BHP symptoms. It can also be used to encourage the elimination of inflammatory wastes through urination, because it is a natural diuretic. All you have to do is to add 1 teaspoon of dried nettle leaves in a cup of hot water, steep for 10 minutes, and then strain it. You should drink this tea 2 to 3 times on a daily basis. Another solution is to take a stinging nettle supplement. The usual amount is 300 milligrams daily. However, you should first consult a doctor before taking a supplement for the correct dosage for your condition. Ryegrass pollen extract. In the preparation of ryegrass pollen extract, are used 3 types of grass pollen: rye, timothy and corn. In JU International was published a study, which says that men who were taking ryegrass pollen extracts, has improvement in their symptoms compared to those who were taking a placebo. This extract can help you prevent the need to get up during the night, and use the bathroom. Also, it can help men to urinate completely.